Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of crypto trading and its major moments. From the revolutionary creation of Bitcoin to the explosive rise of decentralized finance, each chapter in this story holds valuable lessons and insights. Now, let's get started. In 2009, an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, a digital currency that promised to revolutionize the financial system. Bitcoin was built on blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that ensures transparency and security without the need for a central authority. This was a groundbreaking innovation, as it allowed for peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries like banks. For the first time, people could transfer value across the globe almost instantaneously and with minimal fees. Bitcoin's creation wasn't just about a new form of money, it was about giving people control over their own finances. The idea of "be your own bank" resonated with many, especially in the wake of the 2008 financial crisis. However, Bitcoin's early days were met with skepticism, but it slowly gained traction, attracting a community of enthusiasts and developers. Let's now look at the first real-world use of Bitcoin, which marked a significant milestone in its history. Fast forward to May 22, 2010, a day now famously known as Bitcoin Pizza Day. On this day, Laszlo Hanyecz made the first real-world transaction using Bitcoin, paying 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. This transaction demonstrated that Bitcoin could be used as a medium of exchange, not just a digital asset. The pizzas, which cost around $41 at the time, would be worth millions of dollars today, highlighting Bitcoin's dramatic appreciation in value over the years. Laszlo's purchase was more than just a quirky anecdote, it was a validation of Bitcoin's utility. This simple transaction laid the groundwork for Bitcoin's journey from a niche digital currency to a global financial phenomenon. As we continue, we'll see how Bitcoin's success inspired the creation of other cryptocurrencies and platforms, leading to the next major milestone in our journey, the rise of Ethereum. In 2015, the crypto world witnessed another groundbreaking development with the launch of Ethereum, created by Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This innovation expanded the potential use cases of blockchain technology beyond simple transactions. Smart contracts allowed for the creation of decentralized applications or dApps that could run on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's flexibility and programmability made it a favorite among developers and entrepreneurs looking to build on blockchain technology. Ethereum's introduction marked a significant shift in the crypto landscape. It wasn't just a currency, it was a platform for innovation, propelling Ethereum to become the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Despite challenges like scalability and high transaction fees, Ethereum fostered a vibrant ecosystem of projects and communities. Next, we'll explore one of the most explosive periods in crypto history, the 2017 ICO boom. The year 2017 was a whirlwind for the crypto market, marked by the explosive rise of initial coin offerings, or ICOs. ICOs allowed startups to raise funds by issuing their own tokens in exchange for established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This new fundraising method led to a frenzy of activity, with thousands of ICOs launching within a short period. The allure of quick profits attracted a flood of investors, driving the market to unprecedented heights. However, this rapid growth came with significant risks, including numerous scams and failed projects. By early 2018, the market had lost value, and many ICOs failed to deliver on their promises. Despite the turbulence, the ICO boom left a lasting impact, paving the way for new fundraising models. As we move forward, we'll see how the lessons from the ICO boom influenced the 2020 DeFi explosion. In 2020, the crypto market experienced another transformative event with the explosion of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms aim to recreate traditional financial systems such as lending, borrowing, and trading on blockchain networks. DeFi platforms like Uniswap, Compound, and Aave gained immense popularity, attracting billions of dollars in total value locked, or TVL. These platforms allowed users to earn interest, trade assets, and participate in governance, all without the need for intermediaries. The rise of DeFi showcased the potential of blockchain technology to disrupt traditional finance. However, the rapid growth of DeFi also brought challenges like smart contract vulnerabilities and high gas fees. The 2020 DeFi explosion marked a significant shift in the crypto landscape, demonstrating the potential of decentralized finance to reshape the financial industry. In 2021, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of over $60,000. This surge was driven by institutional interest, increased adoption, and a favorable macroeconomic environment. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square made significant investments, signaling mainstream acceptance. This brought new legitimacy to the crypto market and attracted new investors. Financial institutions like PayPal and Visa began offering crypto services. However, Bitcoin's rise also brought attention to its volatility and environmental impact. Despite challenges, Bitcoin's 2021 high showed its resilience and growing importance. Reflect on the major moments that have brought us to where we are today. And there you have it, the major moments in the history of crypto trading. From the creation of Bitcoin to the explosive rise of DeFi and Bitcoin's all-time high, each of these milestones has played a crucial role in shaping the crypto market we know today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which moment you found the most interesting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.